So we got this car from in a hedge, like quite literally in a hedge, and it looks pretty bad. Hasn't been gone for a year apparently. It's gonna have some mean jandle noise in there. Okay. Got a junkyard in here. Okay. Give it another good rev.
What's that?
Give it another good rev. Man, so much water came out of that. Check out this stunning paintwork. Bit of cut and polish and she'll be brand new. And it's raining. Alright, well, I think we're done for today. So we'll get back into it tomorrow. Like and subscribe and follow us for more.